Albatta hamyurtimizni bugun demak g'alabasini albatta kutib qolamiz. Hozir birinchi raund boshlandi va davom etyapti. Hozir biroz texnik muammo ketyapti. Shuni bartaraf qilishga harakat qilyapman. Demak, Umataliyev Javohir bugun debyut jangini o'tkazmoqda professional boksda. Bu prelim janglarning oxirgi jangi. Raqib 5 ta g'alaba va 2 ta mag'lubiyat rekordini qayd etgan shu kungacha. Hozir endi Umataliyev mana shu qizg'in jangda albatta g'alaba qozonishga harakat qilib ko'radi. Oldinga boryapti. Bosim bilan Drabik. Jab zarbasi yaxshi. Bosim qilib oldinga boryapti. Qarshi hujumda esa Umataliyev harakat qilmoqda va zarbalarni aniq yetkazishga harakat qilyapti. Hozircha yaxshi ketyapti deya olamiz. Mana bu yerda biroz qisilib qoldi. Taqib qilmoqda hali ham Drabik raqibini. O'ng qo'l zarbalari. Drabik zarbalarni ko'proq beryapti albatta Umataliyevga nisbatan. Shu oqshomda Bahodir Jalolov ham jang qilishini eslatib o'taman. Hamyurtimiz Jahon chempionatida oltin medal va kumush bronza medal sohibi ekan. Yo'q, ma'zurtasiz. Oltin va kumush. Liverpoolda oltin, Dubayda kumush medali 80 kg vazn toifasida. Havaskor boksda 26 ta jang o'tkazgan, 23 g'alaba va 3 mag'lubiyat qilib ko'rsatilgan. Hamyurtimizning yoshi 21 da. 2005-yilda tavallud topgan, 26 fevral yaqindagina 21 yoshni qarshi olgan ekan. Uppercut jab zarbalari bilan ortga chekinmoqda Umataliyev. Mana bu yerda oldinga endi Drabik boryapti. So'nggi soniyalar birinchi raundda. Tana qismiga yaxshi zarba, yana bir jab. Birinchi raund nihoyasiga yetmoqda. Kerakli ko'rsatmalarni hozir murabbiylar berib o'tishadi.
He's in some condition, is the man from Poland. And I was just, the reason I mention that is because Umataliev landed a few decent body shots in there, and I thought, it's going to take a few of them to get him down, isn't it? You're going to have to land it absolutely on the button to the body and liver shot or whatever it is.
Yeah, you'll have to chip away at it till about Christmas, I think, to get through to that body, but no, Umataliev looked very good then, very composed. And I can sit here and watch people like this all day, Darren, you know, it's great, you want to see what they're going to do next, and it's a top quality fighter, and you can see that. I've only seen one round there, but the way he's composed in the amateur pedigree, you can see that, and listen, all from that side of the world there.
Demak, ikkinchi raundga jangchilar taklif etilishmoqda.
In that part of the world, as you rightly said there, Drabik straight out on the front foot, not wasting any time at all.
Asosiy jangda bugun Fabio Wardley va Daniel Juba jang qilishadi.
Doing exactly what he did in the opening round in that southpaw stance, trying to control the fight with a jab, which he does well.
Yeah, I think Umataliev the more
albatta u jang ham qiziq bo'ladi. Juba o'z vaqtida juda ham bir yengilmas jangchi ruhini ko'rsatgandi bizga. Mana bu yerda hozir yaxshi kombinatsiya Javohirdan qo'shyapti endi. Birinchi raund biroz yengilroq o'tkazgan edi, endi zarbalarni tindirgani yo'q mana. Jab zarbalari. Albatta debyut uchun nokaut juda yaxshi bo'lardi. Tana qismiga zarba. Oldinga boryapti Drabik. Jab zarbalari itarib ham yubordi, yaqin kelmasligi uchun.
Umataliev, then a little push which Howard
Mana endi mutlaqo Javohirdan ustunlik ko'ryapmiz.
Just above me, couldn't see who it was. This is where
Harakat qilyapti. Oyoqlari bilan Javohir bir joyda turib qolmasligi uchun.
the kind of technical ability will
Uppercut, yaxshi zarba.
You see Umataliev is he understands that drive.
Endi Drabik oldinga boryapti, lekin zarbalar avvalgidek o'tkir emas Drabikda. Javohirning zarbalari anchagina menimcha sezdiryapti o'zini.
He's not just backing up for no reason. He'll skip round back to the middle of the ring and then find something from there. It's clever.
his style is like a young Lomachenko, isn't it?
Uppercut,
Yeah, he's not letting
jab zarbasi Drabikdan.
The way that he'll throw a 2 or 3 shot combination, head and body, then just Drabik's looking for
Klinch holat yuzaga kelyapti va referi aralashishga majbur. Jang davom etadi. Oldinda yana 40 soniya vaqt qoldi xolos. Jab zarbasi tana qismini nishonga olyapti hozir.
changing the shape of the shot and everything.
just looking round here at ringside.
Uppercutni birin-ketin yo'llayapti Javohir.
Boxing people here and everyone is
Boshni
glued to the ring.
ko'tarishni so'radi referi.
Sit here and watch this style
Juda pastlab
and the technical
ketganga
ability.
o'xshab
All
buyurdi
night,
menimcha.
couldn't you? Over and over and over again.
Oldinga
Just
boryapti
looking at
Drabik,
Luke Littler,
hali hamon
right opposite us at ringside.
u hujumkor pozitsiyada harakat qilyapti. Garchi ustunlik Javohirda bo'lsa ham.
Smile on his face. He'll know a good
O'h, mana bu yerda qulayapti. Drabik raund ham nihoyasiga yetyapti. Endi sanash kerak. 3, 4, 5, 6, yo'q, bo'ldi, tamom. Javohir Umataliyev ikkinchi raundda g'alabani naqd qilib ketdi mana. Gap bo'lish mumkin emas. Bugungi oqshomdagi birinchi g'alabamiz Javohir Umataliyevdan. Oldinda yana Bahodir Jalolov jangi bor, undan ham chiroyli nokaut kutib qolamiz albatta. Bu jang demak ikkinchi raundning o'zidayoq hal bo'lyapti.
His UK debut and he did not disappoint. There was a little bit of everything. Drabik furious with himself. You can't see him on your screens, but he's just absolutely furious. His body language says it all. But he was in there with a future great.
He was, and that was a fantastic performance. And
Hozir endi rasmiy jang g'olibi, ya'ni Javohir mana hozir tabassum bilan qarshi olyapti.
plenty to like there. And
E'lon qilib beriladi qisqasi. Tarigan onsiri chiqqan.
definitely not, because the guy he was in there with was technically
exceptional, Darren.
that's the word. That is the
Qo'llar demak ko'tarilishga tayyor. Raqibga albatta minnatdorchilik bildirmoqda.
has the official time.
Referi
We shall head to him now.
qo'llarni tutib oldi, endi ko'tarish qoldi xolos.
Therefore, your winner by way of knockout and still undefeated, Javohir Umataliyev.
Javohir Umataliyev ajoyib jang o'tkazdi va nokautga ega chiqdi.